Good morning, everyone. Right, I'm doing the scrapbooking sets at the moment. This is the botanical set. I know I have put some music sheets in as well because I got those yesterday and I thought I haven't got a kit for it to go in, but I'll put them in with the flowery ones. Apart from all of these, which you can see here, and it is £8 the kit, but there's an awful lot in it. An awful lot. And each sheet probably costs between 10 and 20 pence depending on, because some are postcard, some are just paper. So I've just added them all up. And it does come to that. But you're also getting these, each pack is full like this and equally as nice, but they're just different. So, you know, I don't think there's more than two the same. You've got some bits and pieces here and some cards, and then you've got all your little oddments as well. I mean, there's literally loads in these kits. So I can't even show you, can I? It's chocker. Grab them while you can, because when they're gone, they're gone. I'll be back with another one in a minute. Right, this set is the vintage mix, and there's lots and lots of goodies in this one as well. Plenty for you to play around with and just have fun with your scrapbooking. It's a nice big pack, that. And again, you know, some of them are 30 pence, they're like if they're a card, or some of them are 20 pence a piece. So I can't do them any cheaper than that. And there's quite a lot in them. I love the bunny. Look at the bunny. He's so cute. And then you've got like the dress form. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, your couple in there actually. Isn't she lovely? Yeah. So that's the vintage mix. Right, this one is just called vintage, and as you can see there are lots and lots of ladies and animals in this one. These round ones are stickers, and there's some more stickers in here as well. These are stickers. I think that one's stickers on that one, but just for you to see, they're beautiful, aren't they? And I've just called this one just simply vintage. Vintage ladies. Oops. I won't be able to see you. She gorgeous. Yeah. Whoever the artist is. I mean, these are obviously pictures of people. And I've put them onto these cards and that. But papers. But yeah. That's just the plain vintage one. Okay. But whoever the artist was, they're really good. I love this one. I think that one is just stunning. Right, everyone, this is, I'm calling this a steampunk. I mean, you can use it for steampunk. You could use it for whatever you want to do. It's really chocker with all of these fancy papers. I mean, there's an awful lot there. So I'm just trying to share that with you. Because obviously I want you to enjoy it. That's a steampunk mix, we've called this one. But like I say, and there's old wizard man. And then you've got like this steampunk girl. Sorry, I'm reaching over a table and it's back breaking. But yeah, so there's lots and lots in that one as well. Grab them while you can.